Hey guys, Tyler here. Today we're sitting in a 2013 Ford Escape with the push to start that has the slot on the side of the steering column here. I've had a lot of people have issues with these, so we're going to be showing you how to program this one today. So, first thing we're going to want to do is we're going to want to go to Ford, hit agree, and then we're going to go by vehicle. And so it is a smart key system, but we're going to start by programming the transponder. So we're going to go to immobilizer. We're going to go to escape 13. So number of keys, you can see it's 0 right now. We're going to hit add a key. It says insert a key into the program to be programmed to switch ignition on. So we're not going to be able to switch the ignition on. So all we're going to do is we're going to hold this key right here on the side of the slot. The MVP manual tells you to hold it like this, but I tried it earlier and it wasn't working. But when I held it like this, like perfectly perpendicular to the slot, it worked. So we're going to go ahead and hit OK. It's going to read the information from the vehicle, so this will take a minute. So it says switch ignition off and wait for 10 seconds. The ignition's already off, and I'm not able to switch the ignition on because my key's not programmed yet. So I'm just going to hold it here for about 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, I'm going to go ahead and try to press the start button, and then I'm going to hit OK. It says read successful, press OK to continue. Number of keys 0, yes. ECU code, OK. Programming failed. Let's try that one more time, because the position of the key is very important. So if I move it slightly, it might program. There we go. So I kind of had to move it a little farther up to where the bottom was almost lined up with the bottom. So that one took. So now number of keys is 1. These are 2 key systems. So I'm gonna have to program the second key right here. So I'm just gonna hold this here, and then I'm gonna hit add a key again. Hit OK. Number of keys 1, yes. Programming success. So now we have 2 keys. So now we can start the car by holding it next to the slot. This car has issues, so it's not going to start, but it will crank. You guys can probably hear that. So it's not going to start, but it is programmed. So now we have to program the buttons and the prox feature. Because if I hold, if I hold the fob all the way over here, it doesn't start. It'll only start if I hold it next to here. So to program the smart portion, we're going to go back. We're going to go to smart key now. We're going to go to escape, and then we're going to hit add a smart key. It says insert the key into the slot, so I'm going to hold it the same position I did before right here. Hit yes. It's going to read the information again. So it says switch ignition off, insert key, switch ignition on. I can ignore this. It shouldn't be important. Yes. Press unlock button for 1 second. So I'm just going to press it once and then wait a few seconds, and it should say programming success. And now the buttons work. And the car starts, well, cranks, because it has vehicle issues, but. So now we're gonna do the second key, same thing. I'm just gonna hit add smart key again, hold it next to the slot. So I hit add smart key again, insert the key into the programming slot, yes, yes. Press unlock once, so I press it once, don't hold it. Don't press it more than once, just once is fine, and it takes a few seconds. And then it's good to go. 2 keys in and out. Thanks guys, have a nice one.